Hey guys, Triple B Paintball here with you today. We're going to be doing an ANSgear unboxing, and it's pretty big. This is actually one order, but how I order stuff is I use a Visa card, and it only goes up to $500, so I had to get two separate ones, but really they're one. Together weigh 29.5 pounds and about $690 worth. Alright, let's get to it. I'm going to be testing out my exhaust ball sizer. Has a little thing on here they say it's good for opening boxes of paint. See? Got your invoice right on the top here. Okay, this one was $175. I'm just gonna make sure the camera's recording good. Alright. First off, we got one, two, three, four, 5, 6 ANSgear these Genex Global neon pink pods. Kinda alright. Not too bad for $1.50. Got some ANSgear stickers. Dynasty World Cup winners on there. And there's not much in this, but the main thing is my new the Vulcan 4500 tank. The Ninja Ultra Light regulator on there. It's supposed to be pink, but it's kind of red. But super light compared to my Gorilla Air one. So I'll have to do the 4500 because all I had left was 45s. So holy cow, it's small, but this will do. That's it for this box. Throw all this back in there. Set this aside. Let's open this. This box is huge. I can't believe how big it is. Holy cow. Alright. There we go. Alright, so we got my invoice. Total $499.59. Set that down there. Alright, so this is they appeared to put everything inside. It's kinda nice. Alright. So this is my new NXC exclusive roller gear bag. I really like this one. They got 2 different pockets for your guns. You got your barrels and all that goody old stuff. Alright, first up, the brand new 2015 ANSgear Empire. I believe these are the elbow pads. But I like them. Nice material. Those are nice. Set these aside. So we have a little bag here of stuff, goodies. We have and here we got the HK Army pink ball breaker. Some stickers. Looks like to me a little thing to hang in the window. Got the Exalt speed feed for my rotor. It's on sale. And got the Exalt tank cover for my new tank. Nice. We got the paint kit for my dyed rotor. If you haven't caught on, we're going all pink. All pink here for my new setup. Hold on. Sorry about that. Next we have, I bought 2 boxes of 100 rounds, or 2 bags I should say, 100 rounds of paintballs. They're on sale just to kind of test them out, you know. I got 100 rounds of Gun-X Global 3-star and 100 rounds of Marbleizer. Hello? Alright. Yep. Yep. Got you. Sorry about that. My lovely mother called. Best mother in the world. I'll keep them happy. Alright, so like I was saying, I got 100 rounds of Gun-X Global 3-star, which I believe this is. 100 rounds of Marbleizer, just to test them out. They were on sale, I think each $2. So, see how those go. Next up we have, save that. I believe this is the brand new 2015 ANSgear by Empire. They're sliding shorts with the knee pads built in. For they're, what I can tell, the best of what they're making, because they are the only ones that make 2-in-1, and they're just about the same price as knee pads and sliding shorts of the old ones. And these are the brand new 2015 ANSgear. That's nice. Same thing as my arm pads. Right here we have 2014 Empire Prevail FT jersey. Right in the grayish black. Nice, super light, meshy, got nice, pretty nice elbow padding and up around the neck. It's pretty nice. I like that a lot. Next we have 2014 Empire LTD FT pants, I guess. I've looked them up on YouTube, all that good stuff, and they seem to be, for the price, really nice pants. Nice crotch protection, and good pockets, areas to put your barrel swabs. What I really like about these pants is in your right pocket, it comes with a built-in microfiber, so you can wipe your goggles off. Really like that. Plus I like the way they look, and every pair comes with a serial number, so they only made like a few hundred of them, I believe. I'm not positive on that, but that nice stretch on the crotch, like that. Nice. There's those. This, real excited about this. It's the 2014 HK Army Happy Package. I believe I paid $60. Heck of a deal for what you get. First off, got a HK Army microfiber towel thing. There we go, microfiber towel. Got the sweet design. Can't tell I'm a HK Army fan. HK Army and Empire, the way to go. There's that. It also comes with lots of sweet HK Army stickers, HK Army lanyard, and we got HK Army beanie. That's sweet. HK Army headband. Then you never tell you what color you're getting, but this one is going to match my gear perfectly, so thanks a lot ANSgear and HK Army for that. And then in here we got HK Army sweatshirt. That's nice. I thought it was supposed to come with 2 t-shirts, but that's alright. Yeah, lastly is just a skier bag. Just really nice and big. Let's check the invoice real quick. Yep, that's it. So, total of 29.5 pounds and about 690 bucks. Great stuff. HK Army, Empire, Triple B Paintball. Way to go.